Your RV comes with a slide out that provides more living space. In order to use the slide out of the Thor model RV, you must first have the engine turned off and the parking brake engaged. Make sure that there are no objects that will interfere with the extending of the slide out on the outside of the RV, and that no people or heavy objects are in the seats. To extend the slide out, push and hold the extend button located on the control panel until the slide out comes to a complete stop. Then release the button. To retract the slide out, simply push and hold the retract button. When retracting, be sure that the floor is clean of debris and other objects that can get trapped underneath the slide. When slide out stops moving, release the retract button.